Yeah. Oklahoma City, let's go. Buses, 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 let's go.
My name is Ren. I'm with Northeast Charter and Tour up in Maine. This is my second time doing the competition. I'm excited. I'm just here to have fun.
The amount of relationships we've been able to build and the people we've been able to meet, just been fun.
Always love seeing all the new technology, all the new products, and catching up with old friends and making new ones.
Let's go!
We are learning today for our future. Tomorrow is being taught here. To network, to be in position and talk to people that are doing motor coaches for generations.
I always wear my hat. It's a little journey of our time in UMA, a reminder of where we've been and where we're going to.
Let's go! Buses! Buses!
The plethora of knowledge and information and the innovative products, the people that make the industry, spin its wheels, literally and figuratively.
Hi everyone, this is Erin and I'm the CEO of TEMSA and it's my first show at UMA and I'm very much impressed about that because it's a very effective show that gives us the opportunity to come together with our customers to receive their feedbacks and we are continuously improving ourselves.
Let's go! Let's go!
We'll see you in Birmingham.